this video, I would like to take an opportunity and say thank you to Dietofy, Kanika, and to Jyotsna for making me meeting my weight loss goal. So I have lost around 15 kgs with Dietofy, and I continue to do the same. So via this, I would really like to thanks Jyotsna, my dietitian, and because of which, to be true, I actually am still on this journey and I've not yet run away. So I'm a sort of a person who is really gets demotivated easily and run away from the weight loss things. So I think I have been able to stick to my journey so far. It's only because of Jyotsna, and I'm still looking forward to lose another 10 kgs again because of her belief in me. I think I'm really lucky to have Jyotsna, whom I call Behen when I get so lazy around, or whom I call Janu when I'm so pepped up. So I think she already understands whenever I say Behen kya hai yaar, or Janu, this is what is happening. And so she gives you that space, right? So she doesn't work with you as a dietitian, she works with you as your partner in your weight loss journey. And I think she has a really very strong follow-up. So she's not one of those dietitians who give you a 10-day plan and then only bothers to call you on the 10th day to give you next lot. So she has a very strong follow-ups. She keep a tap on you, and I think on the weekends around, she really understands that the weekend is coming, so probably I can deviate a bit. So she makes sure we have a thorough call on Fridays, we have a thorough call on Mondays as well, and then she gives you those reminders that why you are on this journey, right? And she is a dietitian who not only focus on the weight loss, but she also focus on how healthy you are feeling from internally, right? So how fit you are. It's not only about looking good, it's about thinking good as well, right? So how strong you are mentally. So she has all those strong catch-ups, and she really keep a tap on what is happening with you personally, because she makes such a personal connect with you that you go to her for solution, right? In April was a pretty tough time for me, and it was really difficult not to follow the diet, because my very two family members were admitted in hospital. And during those times also, she was so considerate that and she motivated me, and she gave me such a food diets that I was able to lose weight. I was able to follow the weight, and she made it so easy that you didn't end up going into guilt that, oh god, I'm in hospital as an attendant and I'm doing my diet, right? So she puts that much of energy that it makes it as a very casual approach. It makes it that it's a lifestyle. She makes it as it this is something you are not doing extraordinary, right? It should be a part of your life. So I think my really thanks to Jyotsna for so strong follow-ups, believing in me, making me believe in herself, doing all the good diets, having all the good food. She has got some brilliant recipes, right? So it's not the boring salads which I eat. She understands my likings. She makes sure that whenever we talk about diet, she starts with क्या खाने का मन है, right? And she starts with, do you like this, do you like that? So it's like she's extracting your likes and don't likes and taste buds when she talks to you, and she keep a very strong note of that. And I hardly remember ever I have to remind her that, oh, I don't like broccoli, so she has such a strong-minded personal, and such a so passionate about her clients. I really don't like it calling as a word client, because she don't make such relationships. She does a very personal touch to everything. So thank you, Jyotsna. Thanks for being there. Stay there. I think my journey would have not been possible without you, and I want to complete my journey with you around. So thank you so much.